Finally, for the color box example, I just wanted to demonstrate the final working product, and here it is. So if I change this code to be 0.8, this color code to be 0.4, this one to be 0.2, you see all the slider bars adjust proportionally, and the text boxes are still updated in accordance with which slider bar is which. However, we still have the slight problems of these ticks, and that when we scale the whole thing, that the objects within the figure are not scaled. So let's get them working. So here's the same figure we've seen before, slightly edited so that now there's no X ticks. Again, you can probably use a better object than this, I forget what it's called, the axes object that I'm using, but I found a way to get rid of this. So all you need to do is find the X tick object and delete all of its entries. So the Y ticks were still in there, and that's because all of these entries are still within. So I just delete all of those, hit OK, and now I want to make this proportional, so I need to go to my units, normalized, and you'll see MATLAB makes a solid effort at adjusting these things. So width is about 95%, so I'll make that a real 95%, but it goes back. So that's fine, no big deal. Let's run this again. Now there's no X ticks. There is, however, lines around the edges. I think you can fix that easily, but now this scales nicely as well. So then all I should need to do is turn on this option called box, so that the lines around the edges are consistent, and that is done. Now I just need to go for each of these objects and convert them into being normalized units. MATLAB again will make a solid effort at changing from pixels to normalized units, and it should just work. Units. Okay. Here's my color box, and here's my color box scaled. And there it is. So I might minimize these if it'll let me. And here's the code. So from the top, I haven't edited anything until I get to the red slider callback. You've seen this code before, and the green slider callback is very, very similar. We just needed this one line here, talk to the green edit box because this is the green slider bar, and update it with the green color. Same for blue. The red edit callback, the red edit box that is manifested this way, and very similar for green and blue. So that is my color box example.